we are going to learn one poem which is written by Sarojini Naidu, who was a political activist, feminist, and the first Indian woman who became the president of Indian National Congress. Her poem is Indian Vyavas. First about we have to know about the Sarojini Naidu. Who is she? She is a feminist, activist and political activist. She is the first Indian National President of Indian National Congress. We called her as a Nightingale of India. Now let's start. He also play an important role with Mahatma Gandhi ji. He attempted too many satyagrahas. Now let's start. Indian weavers. Weavers means it is related to a textile who is creating new clothes, new dresses, new garments for the various purpose. Now let's start. Weavers weaving at the break of day means weavers are starting to weave one cloth or any garments at the starting of the day. Then Sarojini Naidu asking, why do you weave a garment so gay? Means she is wanted to know that what kind of garment is it? Is it looking very gay? What is the reason behind it? So weaver and saying that it is looking as a blue as the wing of halcyon wild. Halcyon is a bird which is looking so creative. And then the Indian weaver answered to Sarojini Naidu that we have the robes of newborn child. Means we are creating this garment for newborn child. This garments is having bright and kingfisher colors of plums, like colors of plums. It is looking too cool and colorful, which will help for the newborn child. The next stanza, the weavers are weaving at the fall of night. In the evening, they are starting to weave some garments. Then Sarojini Naidu asked to weaver that why do you weave a garment so bright? Means you are wearing this garment which is looking too bright, like the plums of peacock, purple and green. Its color is like a purple and green, which will indicate the feathers or color of a peacock. Then the Indian weaver answered to the Sarojini Naidu that we weave the marriage veils of a queen. Means we are wearing a veils for a queen, which she will look so pretty in that veils, which is a colorful like a peacock having purple and green color. We have saw in many weddings the queen is wearing two colored veils. For that purpose, Indian weavers creating such garments for them. In the next stanza, Indian weavers weaving Solomon and steel. Means they are weaving with calm mind. At that time, Sarojini Naidu asked, what do you wear in the moonlight chill? Means it is a condition where you have getting chill moonlight, having very cool atmosphere. Then which is looking like a white as a feather and white as a cloud, means she is saying that the garment is looking like a white like a feather. have you know have you know feather is having white color and cloud like white. we Many of we saw the cloud is a white and feather is a like a white. Now the Indian weaver answered that we wear a dead man's funeral shawl, means we are wearing this garment for the funeral shroud of a person or the people, which will indicate that its life is end. Here Sarojini Naidu tells us that our life cycle is moving in between birth, wedding and death. This circle comes in everyone's life. Now we have different types of garments, means we have different types of things in your life. We have to adjust it, we have to move it, we have to create such things which will helpful for the others, means we have to go with this way. It will help for all.